نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد.
Before eating, mention the name of Allah. Begin with the name of Allah. Before eating, say Bismillah wa barakatillah. Bismillahi wa barakatillah. This is sunnah. This is etiquette of eating. Oh my little child, whenever you begin eating, always begin eating by saying Bismillahi wa barakatillah. Wa kul bi yaminik. It is also sunnah to eat with the right hand. So always eat with the right hand. Before eating anything whatsoever, before consuming anything, one should always say Bismillah. Bismillahi wa barakatillah. Bismillahi wa barakatillah. Whether it's breakfast, whether it's lunch, whether it's supper, whether it's full meal, whether it's tea, whether it's a snack, whether eating a fruit, a packet of crisps, a few biscuits, always begin with Bismillah. And before eating, the Masnoon tasmiyah is Bismillahi wa barakatillah. Any Bismillah will be sufficient. But if a person recites this tasmiyah, Bismillahi wa barakatillah, then he will be carrying out two mustahab acts. Number one, to begin with Bismillah, and number two, to begin with the Bismillah specified for this particular amal.